Ay ma'am.
Nakalagay sa plastic.
Ano po yan ma'am?
Charger lang po ito ng e-bike.
E-bike?
Nalobat, abutan siya ng lobat eh. Kay Ann ba? Ann Mendoza, tama?
Ann?
Ayun.
Opo.
Yan na lang po.
Ma'am, doon din babayaran to?
Kanya kasi yan eh, bahay niya to eh. Pumunta lang ako.
Ganon?
Oo, inintay ko lang.
Ma'am, iabot lang ako.
Ano po sir?
Sa YouTube.
Ay, sige po.
Thank you ma'am. Item pick up charger ng e-bike. And Valenzuela lang din pagdadalan. Sa travel time natin guys, 5 minutes, 1.3 kilometers. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Guys, item drop. Valenzuela yung charger ng e-bike. And hindi na rin ako nakapagbukas ng camera. Pero after ko madrop yung charger ng e-bike, may nakuha na akong booking. Valenzuela to Manila naman. Ang item niya guys is windshield ng ADV na motor. So guys, samahan nyo ako ulit. Let's go! Guys, yan, hindi ko na nakalimutan buksan. Saan kaya ito? Sir, may abot lang ako. Ang pangalan niyo, sir? JM. YouTube, sir, ah. Thank you. Okay, thank you rin. Hello?
Hello. Nagkaka na kayo, sir?
Sir, hawak ko na. Papunta na ako sa inyo.
Teka lang, discuss lang yung payment. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Pahintay na lang po, ah.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Paabang po ng tawag, sir, ah. Thank you. Guys, item pick up windshield ng Honda ADV from Valenzuela to Manila. And ang travel time natin is 31 minutes, 11 kilometers. So guys, ganun pa rin, samahan nyo pa rin ako. And syempre, bago ko pala putulin tong video na to, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng walang sawang sumusuporta at sumusubaybay. And maraming salamat din sa lahat ng nagla-like, share at subscribe. And shoutout sa mga boss natin, kay Boss RG Francisco ng Matt Motorworks, kung saan lagi ako dyan nagpapagawa ng motor every time na kailangan mag-maintain ng langis, gulong, at kung ano-ano pa. Kay Boss Val Fernando, kung saan galing lahat ng stickers na pinamimigay. And syempre ganon din kay Boss Jan ng Compact Towing Services. Guys, kanina pa ako sa Quirino. After kong may drop yung galing Valenzuela, yung windshield ng Honda ADV. Pagkatapos nun, nagtry ako maghintay doon ng booking. Grabe, walang pumapasok. May mga pumapasok, kaya lang yung iba puro abono. Lagi ako nauunahan. Siguro kailangan ko nang kumuha ng lalabag. Oo, baka kumuha na lang ako ng lalabag. Grabe, kahit anong swipe ang gawin ko, wala, hindi ko nakukuha. Hanggang sa lumipat ako sa May Malate, nagtry ako guys maghintay, wala pa rin ako makuha. Grabe. Ngayon nakita ko yung group chat namin, mga Pakbet riders. Wala na kasi si Jason. Nagpahinga na si Jason guys eh. Yung kaibigan namin na taga Wakwak volunteer, doon siya nakaburol. Kaya pagkakaalam ko, bukas pa kami pupunta sabay-sabay. Pero nakikita ko kasi sa group chat, parang isa-isa sila nagpupuntahan. Siguro biglaan. Sa inis ko na walang pumapasok na booking, wala akong makuhang booking, siguro pupunta na lang ako dun. Bukas pa sana eh, kaya lang siguro ngayon na lang. Total, nandoon din naman yung mga kaibigan ko eh. Yung mga nakasama ko nung North Loop, yung mga nakasama ko noong nag Bicol ride kami. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. No fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun,
Guys,
yeah,
exact
fatal
location
like
for
a
Road
gun.
Boulevard.
Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Let's
Try
do
natin
it on
dumaan
my own,
mamaya
so I
pag-uwi
gotta
sa
get through it.
Baclaran.
And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Ayun guys, dito magsisimula na tayo manahi ng daan. Traffic. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kanto dyan eh, kasi kakaliwa na tayo dyan guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan sa daan na yan. Pero yan yung huling kanto bago ka pumasok ng Coastal Road.
Iba na yung direction. Tapos, wala ka na. May condition yung ako.
Guys, uwian na. Sana makabiyahe pa ako kahit dalawa lang. Guys, nakadaan na tayo ng Baclaran. Ngayon guys, susubukan ko maghintay ng booking. Sana may lumabas kahit isa lang. Pabor lang sa pag-uwi, para kahit paano hindi sayang yung gas natin.